Hey guys, it's Meesh here and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing another video for you guys, and as you could tell in the title, it's going to be a beginner tutorial on how to put on eyelashes. So for those of you who are struggling to put on eyelashes, hopefully this video can be of some help to you. I'm going to be using the Lash from Lashes. I have them on now in the style Rue. This is the box that they originally came in. Super cute packaging. I really like these lashes. I bought about 9 different pairs of lashes from them, and they always have really good sales, and I really like the styles that they put out, and they're always super dramatic, as you guys can see. Without further ado, if you guys want to see how simple and easy it is to put on lashes, please continue watching. Okay, so I'm going to zoom in for you guys so you guys can have a clear view of my eyes. As I said earlier, I'm going to be using the Lash from Lashes in the style Rue, and I've already worn them once, but this is the style of the lash. They're really dramatic, and I really like these. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do when it comes to applying your lashes, I've already put on eyeliner and mascara, and I like to put on mascara on my real lashes because it helps them blend better into the actual band lash. So first thing I'm going to do is make sure that my lash band is residue free. Of course, this doesn't apply to any new lashes. And the glue that I use, I know people really frown upon this glue, but I use the Duo glue that comes with the little brush. That makes it pretty easy to use. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take the lash and just bend it up a little bit so it's a little bit easier to work with. And just bend that back and forth. Then we take our glue and apply it all along that lash band. And typically what I do, I like to take my lash and just set it back in the little box and let it get tacky. It is very important that you guys let the glue get tacky, because if you don't let the glue get tacky, it won't stick. So I'm going to do the same thing to the other one. I'm going to bend it. And then apply that glue all over the band. Okay, so we're just going to let that sit. We're going to let that get tacky a little bit. And what I usually do while I let my glue get tacky, I either like do the rest of my face or put on my lipstick or something like that while that just sits. But another thing that you can do is you can take your tweezers. I got some little Revlon tweezers. These are really good. I really like them. I got them from Ulta, I believe. They're like $8, $9. So you take the lash and you just blow it and fan. Okay, so it's still a little bit on there, but for the most part it's tacky. You want to grab the center of the lash right in the middle, like that. And you want to make sure you have a good grip on it. You don't want to grab it on the ends just because you won't have as much control as you need. And I have really big eyes, but for people with smaller eyes, you will probably need to trim your lashes. So you want to trim from the outside of the band and not the inside of the band. So you'll go out from the outside and not touch the inside, because you don't want to lose that shape and the definition that the inside has. So you're going to take your lash, again, grab it from the center and just place it on the center of your eye, like so. And then you want to line up the end to the end of your eye. And then line up this inside to the inside of your eye. So that's how that looks. I just like to take my finger and bend my lashes down a little bit. That way they're not so intense. And then what you'll need to do is just pinch your eyelashes to the actual lash. That way they blend a little bit better. The mascara helps it blend anyways, but when you pinch them together, it makes a big difference. So now we have on one lash. This lash is very, very dramatic. So you don't have to go as dramatic as I did, of course, but they have some simple ones. Ardell has really good, simple, everyday lashes that aren't as dramatic. But I feel like dramatic lashes just make a look. So while I did this lash, I had this one sitting getting tacky. So I'm just gonna blow this one again. And then, of course, you can see again, nice and tacky. It's still a little wet on the inside, but overall it's tacky. So we're gonna take this one again, set it to the center of our eye, let it go, line up this one, the end, and you wanna line up the inside. And I always have a little bit of trouble with this eye for some reason. Then just pinch, of course, make sure that's on there real nice. Push and pinch, push and pinch. Okay, so now that your lashes are applied, what I like to do is I like to go back in with my eyeliner and make sure that this band is nice and black, and I go right over that. And anything that the glue might have pulled up, I touch up, making sure it's nice and black, because you don't want to be able to see where your lashes and your eyelids meet. It wants to look seamless. You want it to look like it's your lashes, even though for the most part nobody has lashes like these. Let me show you guys a closer look. All right, and that's all there is to it. So I know it is simple to put on, but if you're new to this, it can be very tricky. I really struggle with putting on lashes the first time I started wearing them. So don't be discouraged if you cannot get them on the first try. Just keep trying at it and keep working at it. You will get it. What I suggest for people that are new to putting on lashes is going on Amazon and getting a big pack of lashes. They're usually like $3–4 or so, and just getting some tweezers and some glue and just trial and error, and you will get it. And instead of wasting money on expensive lashes, you'll be able to use those really, cheap ones that still look good at the end of the day. So if you guys have any questions for me, please leave them in the comments below. Like, subscribe to this video, share this video, and I am so grateful for those of you that have already subscribed to my channel. I am halfway to 100 subscribers, and to me that's pretty big. I don't know about you, but that's pretty big to me. So I'm excited. Thank you guys again, and comment below, let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see. I want to help you guys out just like I want you guys to help me out. So thank you for watching this video, and I'll link everything down below: the glue, the lashes, the tweezers. So without further ado, I will catch you guys in my next video.